Freedor is a unique wireless device. Installed at the top of a fire door, Freedor allows the door to swing freely and be left open in any position. Freedor is a battery-powered device that can be easily installed with minimal disruption. Freedor complies with all regulatory requirements. The free swing mode removes all resistance from heavy fire doors, making them easier to open. To release the door, Freedor needs to hear an alarm, verifying the sound over just a few seconds. Freedor will then close the door, preventing the spread of fire and smoke throughout the building. Freedor makes opening heavy doors effortless.